Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing Born Pretty Gel Polish for you. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So first I have the Born Pretty Reflective Sequins Gel shade BPRS01. And next I have the Born Pretty Reflective Sequins Gel shade BPRS08. And next is the Born Pretty Gel Color Jelly Nude Gel shade BPJN05. And next is Born Pretty Gel Color shade BWH90. Next is the Born Pretty Super Top Coat. So first I'm gonna try the Born Pretty Gel Polish shade BWH90. This gel polish color comes from Miss Ballet series color gel, and it is a soft pink color shade. So I'm gonna apply the first coat and then cure. Next is apply the second coat and then cure. So this is what it looks like after 2 coats. And now I'm gonna apply the Born Pretty Super Top Coat. Born Pretty Top Coat is a long-lasting up to 45 days, and it has a good scratch resistance, and it is super bright. Super Top Coat is too smooth, so applying 2 layers may cause shrinkage problems, so only apply 1 layer and it works best. And this is what it looks like, the Born Pretty Gel Polish shade BWH90 with the Super Top Coat. It is very shiny and bright. And I have a color pen here to test about the stain on the nail, and we'll see how it works. And wow! As you see guys, it is anti-stain, unlike the ordinary top coat that is easily to get stained and hard to take it off the nails. And this is what it looks like with the matte top coat. I really love this shade because it is so soft and feminine. And next is I'm gonna try the Born Pretty Gel Color Jelly Nude Gel Polish shade JN05, and it is a translucent semi-permanent gel polish. So with this gel polish, it is very important to use base coat, top coat, and the UV lamp. But in this case, I'm only using my fake nails, so I won't be using base coat. Cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. And this is what it looks like after the first coat. Now I'm gonna apply the second coat. So with this gel polish, the color shine lasts up to 28 days under the correct steps without fading, peeling, or chipping. The 7 ml each one set can do over 400 plus times fingers. It is enough to enjoy the fun of DIY nail art at home and save money and time to a nail salon. And now I'm gonna apply Super Top Coat. Again guys, with using the Super Top Coat, you only need one layer of super top coat to prevent shrinkage problem. So this is with a super top coat and this one is with a matte top coat. It's a very pretty color and it is very likable. I loved it. So next is I'm gonna try the Born Pretty Reflective Sequins Gel shade BPRS01. And this is what it looks like with the natural light and with lights on. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13. So first take the gel and then dab the glitter sequins gel on the nail. It is different from the way applying regular gel. And then use the tip of the brush to adjust the sequins gel and then cure. So as you see, I was using a thinner brush so that it's easier to apply the sequins gel. So next, apply reinforcement gel and then cure. And then file the uneven nails with nail file. Next is apply top coat. And then cure. And this is what it looks like with the lights on. It is very flashy and glittery. And this is what it looks like without the lights. So next is I'm gonna try the Born Pretty Reflective Sequins Gel shade BPRS08. So this is what it looks like with the natural light and with the lights on. So first is take the gel, dab the glitter sequins gel on the nail different way from applying regular gel, and then use the tip of the brush to adjust the sequins gel and then cure. I'm gonna leave the link down below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And then apply reinforcement gel and cure. Next is file the uneven nails with nail file. And then coat with top coat and cure. So this is what it looks like with the light on and without light. So it is very flashy and glittery with the lights on. It is also pretty without the lights on. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.